Look at this, my own kitchen.
Hey, people of America, today we're making lasagna.
I hope I don't burn the kitchen.
But this recipe is simple. Just don't blame me for wasting your beautiful time.
Anyway, just prepare. Your life will be amazed.
But don't get too wrong with the food.
Let's stop talking and get into it. Hee yay.
Pay close attention.
I got a tray, but wait.
No ingredients.
Wait, my car.
Iconic by mistake. Never up duty, taking the beating. I keep on cheesing, looks so deceiving. I think you know me, flapping your lips, foaming. I just keep on going, too beautiful to be broken. Imagination got me going back.
Just enjoy the ride. I was floating high, jealous bitches hate on me. Running up the field, think I need a pedigree. Running in their yards, wishing they could silence me. Running in their yards, wishing they could silence me. Swords in the bird, serpents on the turf.
Finally made it.
This is my favorite restaurant.
Later.
Okay, let's actually make the lasagna.
So let's get into it.
Okay, so let's look at the picture of that juicy feast. So tasty. Even you are probably drooling. First, chop the carrot to prepare it.
Now here comes the part with the tomato sauce.
Put it on the pan with the veggies.
Don't be shy, pick it up.
Place the cooked food on the tray. Pick up the frying pan. Put it with the contents.
Pick up the sheets.
Put it in the oven. Okay, and we are done.
Okay, see you soon.